Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is on this look that I have on right here. So today's look is a very fun, like colorful look for spring that it's kind of corally pinky sort of tones with glitter and everything like that, but still keeping the skin nice and glowy and everything like that it goes along with spring. But it's not your typical spring look in the sense that it is not like soft and girly and feminine. It is more on the dramatic side, but it's definitely wearable, and I know for myself I would definitely wear this day to day, but it is so fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to like and subscribe before you leave, and if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I do already have my eyebrows on, and I did already prime my eyes with the P. Louise eye base, so we're just going to start off with the eyes. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette, and I'm sticking my finger in it. Shadows. I'm taking the shade Positivity, which is that one right there. And I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush. And we're going to start this in the crease. So I'm taking it all through the crease, all the way from inner corner, all the way to outer corner. And right now I'm using more windshield wiper motions. Now I'm going to I'm going to take off all the excess product off the brush, and I'm going to go in with circular motions to just buff and blend this out. I'm also going to really quickly move my mirror closer so I can see better. It's like I have a hair. Alright, so now I'm going to take the exact same brush, and I'm going to take that Positivity shade, but mix it with just a tiny bit of Heart On. Just a tiny bit though. We do not want a whole lot of that Heart On shade because we don't want it to be too pink. We just want it to help like deepen up the crease a little bit. Okay, so it should be looking something like this right now. So now I'm going to take, this is the Kathleen Lights times ColourPop, I think they were like the Zodiac pigments, and this is in the shade The Ram. Good thing it wasn't opened. So I'm going to spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus before going in on the eyes. So the brush I'm using is my Morphe M421, and I'm going to spritz it about twice. And then I'm going to go in with the pigment. Okay, and then this is going to go all over the lid. sparkles all over the place. All over the place. Okay. This is why I'm doing the eyes first. It's because I'm dusting sparkles down all over my face. So then just using that M433 and just lightly kind of buffing through the crease so that everything kind of buffs together, kind of buffs those sparkles up through. Alright, just like that. So now I'm going to go apply wing liner and lashes really quick, and I'm going to do this off camera just because I did show a wing liner in my last tutorial, and it's just a hot mess when I show it because I'm not the greatest at it and it takes me a little while. And yeah, so I'm just going to do it off camera, but I'm using the Maybelline gel liner in the shade Blackest Black as my gel eyeliner today with my Merle Norman, oh, what's it called? I don't know. It's their angle liner brush. It looks like this, but if it'll focus. There we go. Looks like that. As you can see, I have sparkles on my hand too. But I rubbed off where it says the name, so I really don't know the name of the brush, but that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to use my Velour custom lashes. These are the Flare Crisscross Wispy 15 millimeters, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, liner and lashes is on, so now let's do the face. I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Okay, we're gonna let this dry a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Tatcha Silk Canvas, the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Okay, then for foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. And then I'm going to blend out with my Morphe highlight and contour sponge. Okay, sorry if like things changed just a little bit. I had to change my camera battery, so sorry about that. But now we're going to move on to concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using the shade Light Neutral with just a tiny bit of Fair Neutral. And using that same sponge to blend this out. Now I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder to set my under eyes and the rest of my face. Sorry, my lips are moving in these next couple of clips. I was talking to my sister while I was filming this, so just ignore that. Next, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit with my Morphe JH13. Next, we're going to move on to blush. This is the Merle Norman blush in the shade Razzle Dazzle. Try to cover up the mirror, but that's what that looks like. And I'm using my Morphe JH04. So next I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Mood Light Powder with my Morphe M510, and we're just going to dust a little bit of this and like where you would normally highlight, but as well as like bring some through the center of the face to add more of a glow. Just because since it's a spring look, I want that glow. Alright, so now I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm going to use, okay, dropping stuff. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Beaming Highlight in the shade Amped as my highlight on the top of the cheekbones. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom you guys back in so we can finish off the eyes. Alright, so I'm going to start off with Mac and Bark. Yeah, Mac and Bark, which is this one right there in my palette, and I'm using my Morphe M432, and I'm just going to put this all along the lower lash line, all the way from outer corner all the way to inner corner, right up against those lashes. And then to buff this out, I'm going to go back into, let me set my hair down for a second. I'm going to go back in with Positivity, which is that one right there. And I'm using my Morphe JH52 brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little brush right here. I think it's technically a lip brush, but I got it in whatever this like black and gold set from Morphe is. And I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Beaming Highlight, but in the shade Extra. And I'm going to put this on my inner corners. And then I'm going to put it on the brow bone as well. Alright, I'm going to put on Lower Lash Mascara really quick, and I will be back to finish up with the lips and finish off this video. Alright you guys, so eyes are all done, so all we have left is just the lips. So I'm going to kind of dab off what lip balm I have on. And I'm going to use the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Lady Be Good. Alright, and then I'm going to put on the Marc Jacobs Gloss in the shade Sugar Sugar over top. Alright you guys, that is it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye!